This dashcam footage shows a car moving straight on the road during nighttime, following its lane normally. Suddenly, another vehicle appears from a side intersection without proper awareness of oncoming traffic. Because of the low visibility and lack of caution, the situation escalates within seconds. This moment highlights how intersections can become risky if drivers fail to slow down and check both directions. It also reminds viewers that nighttime driving requires extra attention and reduced speed. Dashcams play an important role in understanding real-life road situations and learning from them. Overall, the clip serves as a valuable lesson on alert driving and respecting right-of-way to prevent unexpected road incidents. This dashcam footage shows a car initially traveling in the middle of the road before shifting to the right side. Moments later, as another vehicle begins to overtake, the same car suddenly moves left. Although an indicator is used, the driver does not fully check the surrounding traffic before changing direction. The situation unfolds very quickly, leaving limited time to react. This clip demonstrates why consistent lane positioning is important for predictability on the road. It also reinforces the need to check mirrors and blind spots before any turn. This dashcam footage shows a car moving straight on a narrow road with limited space on both sides. Suddenly, a large truck approaches from the opposite direction, taking up more than its own lane. The situation becomes tense due to the restricted width of the road and reduced reaction time. Fortunately, there is a small road on the right side, allowing the driver to make a quick and controlled turn. This decision helps avoid a serious outcome and keeps the situation under control. The scene shows how narrow roads require extra patience and alertness. It also reminds drivers to stay calm and be ready to adapt when unexpected obstacles appear ahead. This dashcam footage shows a situation where the sun is directly ahead, making visibility difficult for drivers. The bright glare reduces clarity on the road and can hide important details in front. Suddenly, a car moves onto the road's center divider, creating an unexpected moment. The exact reason is unclear, but low visibility appears to be a contributing factor. When sunlight is intense, judging distance and road alignment becomes more challenging. This scene reminds drivers to slow down and stay extra focused during such conditions. Using sun visors and maintaining safe spacing can help manage reduced visibility. Overall, the clip offers a useful lesson on adjusting driving behavior when natural light affects the road view. This dashcam footage shows a car starting to move as soon as the signal turns green. While proceeding forward, the vehicle shifts too far toward the right side of the road. Within moments, the car ends up colliding with a nearby tree. The exact reason behind this movement is unclear and cannot be confirmed from the clip alone. Factors such as inexperience, misjudgment, or a momentary lapse in control may have played a role. This dashcam footage shows fast-moving traffic coming from both directions on the road. Suddenly, a car attempts to overtake a truck from the left side without having a clear view ahead. The driver does not realize that another vehicle is approaching from the opposite direction. As the situation unfolds, the oncoming car makes a strong effort to avoid a direct collision. Despite this quick response, the vehicle still makes side contact. Fortunately, no serious harm occurs in this incident. The scene demonstrates how overtaking without proper visibility can quickly create dangerous situations. It serves as an important reminder to assess road conditions carefully and avoid risky moves in high-speed traffic. This security camera footage shows traffic moving normally and calmly on the road. Suddenly, a speeding car appears and loses control, striking a raised section in the middle of the road. The impact launches the car into the air before it lands further ahead. Fortunately, no other vehicles are immediately affected, but the scene clearly shows how excessive speed can quickly turn a routine road into a dangerous situation. It emphasizes the importance of obeying speed limits and being mindful of road conditions. This incident serves as a strong reminder that reckless driving can have unpredictable consequences, even on seemingly normal roads. This dashcam footage shows a snowy road completely covered with ice and snow. A Jeep suddenly overtakes from the side at high speed, while the car continues straight ahead in front of it. To avoid a collision with the car, the Jeep brakes, but the slippery surface causes it to lose control and slide sideways, hitting the side. Thankfully, no serious damage or injuries occur. The scene clearly shows how icy roads can make sudden maneuvers extremely risky. It reminds drivers to slow down, maintain proper control, and stay patient when driving in winter conditions. This nighttime dashcam footage shows a road covered with ice and snow, making it extremely slippery. A heavy truck is moving ahead at a normal speed when the driver applies the brakes. The sudden braking causes the entire truck to rotate unexpectedly due to the icy surface. Fortunately, there are no other vehicles nearby, so the situation remains safe without any collisions. This scene demonstrates how quickly large vehicles can lose control on slippery roads, even at normal speeds. It serves as a reminder for all drivers to maintain extra caution, reduce speed, and anticipate longer stopping distances during winter conditions. This dashcam footage shows a car attempting to overtake another vehicle on the road. However, the car ahead does not allow it to merge, blocking the maneuver. This kind of deliberate aggressive behavior is risky and can easily lead to accidents. Roads require patience and cooperation from all drivers to ensure safety. Situations like this highlight the importance of avoiding impulsive or childish actions behind the wheel. Maintaining calm, waiting for a safe opportunity, and respecting other drivers' space are essential habits for preventing dangerous encounters on the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real-life driving lessons and safety tips. Share this video with friends and family to help keep everyone safer on the road. Thanks for watching.